Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 1080p HD dual microphone webcam. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at a 1080p webcam, and this has noise canceling microphones. It actually has two microphones, and you can use this for conferences, streaming, content creation, talking to friends and stuff. And what I like about this webcam is it comes with a detachable cable. So you know how like some webcams you have a cable already pre-attached? With this webcam you could technically buy a longer cable, shorter cable, or any type of cable and utilize it, which is really neat. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns? Leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of webcam. Also, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this webcam. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So you guys can see the overall packaging is very simple. There's not a whole lot going on with this packaging. There's just few specifications and details all over the box, which we're going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So on the front of the box, you guys can see it has the company's name, which is LincPlus, and this is the model C2 with a visual representation of the webcam itself. And then on the back side, we have a list of specifications if you guys want to take a pause and read that. But that's basically it. And it looks like the maximum frames you can get with this camera is 30 FPS. So do keep that in mind. And yeah, let's actually open up the box just like so, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the user manual, and this user manual will go into more specific details on how to set up this product, all the specifications and features it has to offer. And then inside this bag we get included with the cable that we need to utilize with this webcam, and this is a USB type A to USB type C cable, and the cable's pretty long, and like I mentioned, what I like about this webcam is the cable is detachable, meaning that I can swap the cable anytime, and I don't have to utilize the pre-attached cable that a lot of these webcams usually have. And this is the webcam itself. Look at that. That is a very nice webcam. We have the company's branding. We also have a plastic film that all you gotta do is remove just like so. But the lens is really interesting with this webcam, and you are able to rotate this to any different angles that you want. You have a threaded base at the bottom, which is nice because you can actually connect this to a tripod. And yeah, you can open this up, extend it. You are able to kind of mount this onto your laptop, so like it has some grippy kind of material so that it's not going to scratch up your laptop screen or your back of your laptop, which is good. And this is also rotatable. You can do 360 degrees with this stand. So overall, I'm liking my first impressions with this webcam, but obviously I'm more worried about the quality. So we're going to test this out and see how it performs. And then on the back side, you guys can see we also have our USB-C port, and there is another plastic film protecting the back side if you want to take off as well. I'm going to keep mine off so I'm not going to remove that. And yeah, nice design. It kind of has like a gray and black kind of color scheme with it. The lens on the camera is not that big, but hopefully it still performs really decently. And yeah, that's basically it for this webcam. So why don't we proceed to test out and demo this webcam. So obviously with our demonstration, I'm going to be using this laptop that's beside me. Let me untie this cable and wrap it up, and what we're going to do is basically kind of unravel it just like so. We're going to plug the USB type A port into the laptop and then plug in the USB type C just like so, and it should connect to my laptop. You guys can hear it's even making some audio noises, and we have a LED light. I don't know if you guys can see that red light right there, letting you know that this is on. And what I like about this stand is I could practically use this webcam anywhere. It doesn't have to even be on top of my laptop. So that is a nice feature. You know, with this stand, it's able to support itself, and I can utilize it, you know, on the table. Because sometimes with your setups and stuff, it's hard to kind of, you know, keep your camera on top of your laptop because of the angle you have to like look up, which is interesting. But with this, I can set up the camera anywhere, so that's good to see. So why don't I actually start recording? There we go. And right now you guys should be able to see the camera. You know, the quality so far, I'm really impressed. You know, it's able to capture a lot of details. It is a 30 frames per second camera, so you guys can see my actions aren't as fluid as my main camera, but it's still pretty good though. You know, I can easily use this for Zoom conferences, meetings, or content, you know, making content and stuff. So overall, so far, with my first impressions, it's not too bad. And I love how you can rotate. You can even twist this 360 degrees, as you guys can see. Very cool. I can rotate it back around. But yeah, it's a very, very interesting camera. Why don't we set this on a traditional setup? So like if I was actually using this, this would probably be the setup I'll have it in. And you guys can see, not bad. It's able to capture me nicely. It's capturing a large area because it is a wide angle lens like they mentioned. So it's able to capture a large space, which is good. But yeah, not bad though. And I don't know why a lot of laptop manufacturers and desktop manufacturers still utilize 720p. Like, it's 2022. Like, every laptop, every desktop at this point should have 1080p minimum. You know, smartphones, like for instance Apple, the selfie cam can go up to 4K. So it's really cool that, you know, webcams are still offering decent quality, because I don't know why a lot of these manufacturers haven't, you know, improve quality. I know why. I mean, it's all about price. It's all about spending money. I know why. It's just, I wish, you know, phones, I'm not phones, but laptops, desktops came equipped with at least 1080p. And it's nice to see that this webcam is offering me a lot of decent quality. And I love the ability that it's removable. You know, the cable itself is removable, which means that I can replace the cable anytime. I don't have to utilize this cable, which is good as well. And yeah, you can rotate up and down, shift it, you know. Not bad, honestly, not bad. I'm probably gonna utilize this webcam more as opposed to the one I've been using. The one I've been using was one I reviewed like a year ago, and this one offers way better quality, way better quality. And with the software I'm using, it's just the basic camera app. It's not OBS, it's not some sort of Zoom or some other application. So I'm kind of limited to the controls and stuff. Like, the only thing I can really do right now is manipulate my brightness. But if I was using like OBS or one of those more professional applications, you can go and mess your contrast, mess with your saturation, mess with brightness, all that kind of stuff, noise, all that fun jazz that I'm not able to with, you know, the basic Windows app. But overall, the quality of the camera is not bad, and I think if you are going to utilize this for conferences, Zoom meetings, you know, playing games, streaming, you definitely can with this camera. It's not too bad, honestly. But let me actually end the recording. There we go. And what we're going to do is actually wrap up this video and actually give my final opinions and remarks about this product. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this LincPlus webcam? Well, you guys can see I did a fantastic job. The quality was actually surprising. You know, especially for the price that they're asking for this webcam, you're actually getting a really decent webcam, you know, as opposed to the built-in webcam that your laptop or your desktop provides. So, overall, it's a very functional webcam. It's definitely not bad, okay? It's not like one of those janky webcams or like, you know, just horrible quality that you typically get with a lot of, you know, budget webcams, you know. So overall, I'm impressed. I'm actually really impressed, and I will be utilizing this webcam. So do keep in mind, I am going to be using this webcam for future meetings and conferences, because overall, this webcam is performing way better than the one I'm currently using. So definitely switching it, and the microphone wasn't too bad. I went back and watched the video, and the microphone wasn't bad at all. So overall, it's a decent webcam. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of webcam. If you're a business or company wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@l.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any further assistance with this product, you guys are all welcome to reach out through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this webcam. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.